Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I am going to discuss about the market condition, whether markets are really bearish or is it pullback, and also any opportunities or we have to stop trading for few days. All those details I am going to discuss in this video. Okay, before going into the video details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay. Coming to the data. See, I don't talk without data. The whatever the if I talk without data, it is going to be the biased mind. Let's say if you are holding one company or index options, your mind will not accept that okay, market is bearish. If you sold the call option, your mind will convince you saying that market is bearish. If you sell the put options, your mind will tell you like market is bullish. You will not accept the truth. So in order to avoid the biased mindset, what I am trying to do is I am taking the data from last couple of days. Okay, last, let's assume like from the last expiry which was happened July month expiry, which was happened on the July 26th. Okay, last 45 days. Let us track really markets are bearish or really bullish. What is happening from the last 45 days, so that we will get some conclusion. Okay, the hidden things right in the market, whether the profit booking is coming or really market is sold out, so selling, or really people are buying in the market, all those details we wanted to try to find out. Okay, so as part of it, I am tracking from the last 45 days. Around 44 days it is showing. That means it is not the all the trading days. Okay, in between holidays also will be there. That means I am tracking from the July expiry. Okay, the August starting from the August expiry. Okay, if we see right, the market condition from the July 26th, total I am tracking 20 sectors, in which one sector which is this is not the sector India VIX. Okay, if you remove the India VIX, right, whether I am tracking the India VIX, now I removed, I think. Total we are tracking the 20 indexes. Okay, out of 20 index, right, last 45 days 13 indexes are trading in the negative. That means what it indicates, it is indicating that okay, market is in bearish, right? Market is bearish. That means some of the sectors there is a profit booking is going on. So last 45 days, if you see the data, maybe Nifty is bullish, but the stocks in various sectors having the bearish sentiment, mild bearish sentiment. Okay, let us find out. The PSU banks are minus 9% returns. CPSE is 5%. Realty sector also 5%, around 5%. Okay, PSC 3%. Metal sector is 3%. Auto is 3%. Energy is 3%. Infra is 3%. Commodities. If we see all these sectors, okay, all these are the till last election, these sectors are the outperforming sectors. It never had breakdowns. It's always making the higher highs and running like anything. All these things now started the profit booking. So till now, whatever the people whoever buying these indexes thinking it was positive, now maybe it is translating into the negative. That's what in the long run, right? Last 45 days it was trading in the negative only. So coming to the Nifty, there is no change, 0.07 percentage only. There is no change in the Nifty. It was like 24,850. Today also 24,850, around 850 only. So there is no much difference. That means index, the index, the Nifty index is trading neck to neck. There is no much change. But whereas few sectors, IT sector, okay, to compensate this PSU banks and bank nifty, right? The bank nifty, if we see the bank nifty, only 1.5 percentage correction came. Okay, to compensate, these are the index heavyweights, right? HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, all these things are the index heavyweights. So to compensate those things, we are having the IT sector, which is 3 percentage, double than the bank nifty, went up. Okay, pharma also went up by 6 percentage. Consumption, where the FMCG, all these companies comes. Okay, financial services, which again includes the banks and finance companies such as you know REC Limited, LIC Housing Finance Limited, SBI Life, HDFC Life, ICICI Pro Life, MFSL, Seram Finance, these companies, Cholamandalam Finance, all the finance companies, not the banking companies. Banking is relatively negative, but whereas the finance companies which are moving nicely. Okay, so from this what we are trying to understand, there is a sector rotation. Okay, whatever the positive we are thinking started the negative and profit booking, or really it is the correction, we are not sure. Time has to tell us. Okay, let us analyze the chart after this thing. So last 45 days, if we see market having the bearish sentiment only. Okay, we are thinking like it is bullish, but really it is not the bullish. Only few index heavyweights such as IT stocks and the finance companies. In this finance companies also, if we go to the Nifty 50, okay, what are the stocks which are holding the Nifty? Okay, Bajaj Finance gave the 17 percentage, Bajaj Auto gave the 14 percentage, Asian Paint 10 percentage, Seram Finance 10 percentage, SBI Life, Bajaj Finance, HCL Tech, BPCL, Divis Lab, Sun Pharma, LT. These are the IT companies. Okay, Hindustan Unilever, Apollo Hospitals, JSW Steel, Cipla, all these pharma, Infi, HDFC Bank. These are the index heavyweights relatively. That's what Nifty is trading, no gain or no loss. But now we have to see where it is going to end. Okay, really it is going to correct or it is going to reverse. So as per the sectors from the last 45 days, data looks like bearish only. Markets are bearish only. Okay, so coming to the chart analysis, if we go to the chart, as per the data suggesting from last couple of days, and also this is the weekend, right? Weekend, we cannot look the daily candles. Week is completed, so let us try to look the weekly candles. Okay, these are the weekly chart I selected. Weekly chart I selected. So let me do this. Okay, let me delete all these things. Now metal sector, as per our data, the metal sector is bearish. Okay, 3%, last 45 days, right? 3% is down. Maybe what I'm thinking is, okay, when it is making the higher high, it correction comes down, it is going to fall like this. Okay, that structure, it is building the structure like this, or other way around, it may come down, it may go like this. Now the market sentiment is bearish, so there is a probability of become maybe like this. Okay, metal sector condition is bad now. Okay, and also if we see the weekly candle, right, this is the bearish engulfing happened. First shooting star formed, after that one big red candle, engulfing candle happened, so that indicates the negative sentiment in metal sector. Okay, the pharma sector which is continuing some consolidation, breakout, consolidation, maybe now it may go to the consolidation by checking this, right? Since this is the bullish momentum having, it may go to the consolidation silently. It will trade here for some time. Okay, that is the condition for the pharma. So still I feel pharma is a good bet, safety bet, in case if we wanted to trade in the bullish side. So this is consumption. Obviously this consumption sector, right, whenever this FMCG is bullish, majority of the stocks, pharma stocks, FMCG stocks and auto stocks, these stocks will come into the consumption. Okay, consumption sector looking bullish only. I don't see any issue in this chart. Metal sector bearish. FMCG, okay, FMCG trading last 2 weeks, right, it was trading in the range bound. Okay, maybe we have to see further whether this is going to correct. Okay, once this takes out, there is a probability of retesting the this region. Okay, where the actual move started, right, there is a probability of retesting if this takes out. So FMCG is relatively, it is intended to trade in the range bound only. Okay, the realty sector, this is also, I feel like, okay, this is kind of dead cat bounce. Very long term fall is there, and market sentiment is bearish. Okay, how many weeks? Last 45 days it was trading in the bearish only. So now it is trying to form the bearish flag. It may break down, we have to see it. This is MNC companies. Okay, again all the pharma companies, these things will come, no need to track. That is not the influential sector as well. Okay, so here this is the Nifty IT index. If we see the Nifty IT index, this is where, okay, very nice chart pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern happened, then breakout, immediately retested back, now it is going up. The IT sector looks okay to me. The maximum correction, if it comes in the IT sector, right, here there is a small breakout, retesting back, again it may go back. That retesting part, okay, how much? 41,350, now 42,350, around, 1,000 points it may come. Okay, 1,000 points, in the sense it is going to be 2%, 2 to 3% correction we can expect in the IT sector in worst case. Okay, this is media sector. Media sector is something like when a Kit Kat bounce, it may fall. Nifty service sector, no need to track. This is also mix of other stocks. Okay, this is Nifty 50 index. If we see, right, this is the green momentum, okay, taken out by the red engulfing. That means this is the bearish engulfing happened, it is taken out, there is a probability of trend continuation in the downside as per the chart. Maybe this may retest back to this level where, okay, 23,650. If the trend continues, okay, in between there is a high chance that, okay, reversal here, this is the zone, again one more reversal in this area, 24,200 area, there is a probability of reversal. Okay, by that time, if the sentiment, global sentiment become positive, it may be. In worst case, okay, this red candle, wherever the red candle is there, small red candle, that area is going to test it back. The auto sector also, it is trying to form the M pattern. Okay, in the range bound only, we have to see further. Small cap is making the higher highs. Okay, we have to see this one also. What is this? Commodities, again it is like metal sector, bearish engulfing it formed. Okay, maybe again we can see the fall. Fin Nifty had the like, the bullish structure it had. Okay, it is trading in the channel actually. If we see, this is trading in the channel. If we take the median, right? Okay, this is the median where it touched and it is going, okay, until if this breaks out. Since this Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life, all this ICICI insurance twins, all these companies are bullish. That's what it is looking bullish, this sector, Fin Nifty. Okay, this is Nifty 100 infrastructure. The infra sector also, it formed the bearish engulfing. There is a probability of trend continuation. It may fall. Here the Reliance Industries is the company which can be influence the market. Now Reliance events, right? Some bonus here, all those things, events gone. Now there is a probability of some correction in the Reliance as well. Okay, this is the private sector. Nifty Private Bank. Okay, this is also again trading in the channel. There is a probability of retesting this channel, and also it started making the higher lows. It went like this. It formed the nice bearish structure actually. If we see bearish structure, once this breaks, we can confirm this structure. Now it is trying to form the bearish structure actually. Here the breakout happened, retested back. It's supposed to go up and break this, but it failed in the off retracement. Off retracement failure means like this. Okay, this is where retest back. It's supposed to go up, instead going up, it retested back. That means it is trying to form the bearish structure. Okay, if that bearish structure continues, it may fall further. So this one also, mid cap also looking bearish engulfing formed. We have to see further. Okay, what is this? This energy also. Okay, it was consolidation. Very nice bearish structure is trying to form. Okay, once this is trading in the zone, it beached the median, so it formed the bearish structure. The bank sector, right? The banking stocks, it seems like it's nicely formed the bearish structure. Okay, this is where the breakout happened, retested back, maybe trying to fall. Okay, this is the bearish structure happened. Mid cap 50 also bearish engulfing. Okay, the PSC sector also, it clearly indicating the bearish sentiment. Very big bearish candle happened. Okay, PSU banks, there is no need to talk about this sector. Okay, it is extremely went up. Last year, 2 3 years back, it was like these stocks are equivalent to the Michi Bhaji cost. Now it went to the very high. Okay, now it may be the chicken pakoda cost. Each company, we have to see where next level which cost equal to these companies. Okay, that is what my feeling. I don't like to invest in these stocks. Okay, so overall, from this exercise, most of the sectors are looking bearish. Last 45 days, we are seeing some bearish sentiment is there, that is not visible to the outside because of the index heavyweights which are moving and which are holding the Nifty. That's what we are not able to see the bearish sentiment. But actually, if we see, there are lot of sectors in the sense 13 sectors out of 20, 13 sectors. Okay, 1:2. 13 sectors are, some sell off is there. Okay, that sell off, severe sell off is there in the PSU banks, CPSC, all the government companies, along with the metal and realty sector. Okay, relatively auto sector also correction is there, infra also correction is there. Whatever we are thinking positive so far, these sectors having the correction or pullback, we need to see further price action. So I feel like from last 45 days, from the July month expiry onwards, the market relatively bearish, but it is not visible due to the index heavyweights are moving. Okay, that's what internally there is a profit booking going on. We have to be very cautious at this point of time. So this is what my analysis on the overall markets. Okay, little bit cautious is required, and also you check for the gold bees. Okay, gold bees. See these gold bees. If we see, okay, this was trading in the range, breakdown, retested back. Okay, it may go up because last 2 days I see some positive movies coming in the gold bees. Okay, these are the things. Continuation is there. We have to see how it goes. Like this or like this. Okay, there is no probability of doing like this because already it is trying to form the bullish structure. Okay, something like this. We have to see if this really moves up, that means the markets are bearish. If this is also not moving, that means markets having the healthy correction. Okay, that is what we can assume about the market, and we get some conclusion. So India VIX also rising. This indicates volatility is increasing in the market. We don't know what is causing for the market sell off. Okay, if we see some news, all the channels, everybody is talking about the US job data. Okay, but US job data came later after our market having the correction of 300 points. Before that, all the markets was under the severe sell off, but still our nifty on the expiry day it was traded in the green. Okay, later point of time on Friday it crashed. So whatever the data it is coming, right after the market only, we are trying to cook it up some story and attach to it. Okay, that may not be the right thing, but last 45 days if we see, relatively market having the bearish sentiment and some selective sectors coming under severe sell off. Okay, that severe sell off, where it is going to end, we have to see. Okay, where is the opportunity, we have to see. I feel like, whatever the sectors so far is positive, there is a severe sell off, and that money is moving to the financial sector and pharma, FMCG, IT. Okay, you can look these sectors going forward may have you know some interesting patterns going to be formed in the charts. Okay, look the opportunities in that area. Don't bet on the stocks. Better you go, you can go with the mutual funds or something for the short term, or you park your money in the gold bees, or you can, what you can do is go to the far out of the money in the nifty, let's say 26,000 or so, sell the call options with your capital. Okay, buy the 26,300 or 26,500 for the hedging. Hold that on the monthly options or September options, or go with the October also. By that time market reverses, you will get some profits instead, putting into the stocks and taking the risk. That is the strategy. Now one must do it. Okay, that's all friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. If really you like it, okay, you press the like button and also share with your friends. Thank you so much.